Good day to you all. I am C.S. Srinivasarao, Associate Professor, Department of Computer Science, SVKP and Dr. K.S. Raju Arts and Science College, Pengonda. Welcome back to Tree Traversals. Tree Traversal refers to the process of visiting each node in a tree. Tree Traversal is nothing but visiting each node in a tree. This is exactly once. The visiting of that each node in a tree exactly once. Now there are tree traversal techniques. There are two things. One is the depth first traversal and second is the breadth first traversal. Under this depth first traversal, there are three traversals. One is the pre-order traversal, in-order traversal and post-order traversal. This is another traversal is breadth first search traversal. Right? Breadth first search traversal. Now first we need to discuss the pre-order traversal. So the first pre-order traversal is visit the root and then traverse the left subtree or implement the or call pre-order function left subtree for left subtree and traverse the right subtree and call the pre-order of right subtree. So visit root and move to left and then move to right. So this is the one example. This is the one tree. What is the pre-order for this? According to this one, visit the root. First root A. This is pre-order traversal of this one is root A. You visited A. And then move to the left. Come to right left. So implement the in-order pre-order for the left subtree for this. What is the pre-order? Again you visit the root. So that means you take the B. B is visited. And then once you visit the root, then move to the left. Once root, then left. Come to left for this. So again implement the pre-order for it. So pre-order is root, visit the root. Root is D. A, B, D. So and then visit the left. Left, there is no left. And once the left is over, and then right. The right is, there is no right child. So once the root is visited, left is over, right is over, then this particular subtree, the pre-order function of this subtree returns and then come to here. This is already visited, left is over and come to right. So implement the pre-order for this. So what is the pre-order for this? Visit the E. After D, that is E, right? E. And left, there is no left, there is no right. So once this is over, for this node, left is over, right is over. So this entire subtree is over. For this node, the left is over. Now you have to visit. Root is already visited. Left is over. Coming to right. So implement the pre-order for this. What is the pre-order for this subtree? Visit the C. After E, that is the C. C. And once you visited C, then come to the left. Root is visited. Then you left. So left, implement the pre-order for this. For this subtree. This is a single node even. So visit F and after C, visit F. Once you visit F, there is no left, there is no right. Once this is over, so for C, the left subtree is over. For C, you visit right. So come to this right, implement the pre-order for this right subtree. The even only single node G. So visit this G and there is no left, there is no right. Right is also over. For this A node, left subtree is over, right subtree is over. So for this is the pre-order of this one is over. What is the pre-order? A, B, D, E, C, F, C. So simply you find the pre-order for one technique. So that technique is traverse the entire tree starting from the root node and keeping yourself to the left, keeping left. ఇట్లా మీరు లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ నడుచుకుంటూ వెళ్ళిపోండి. దేనైతే విజిట్ చేశారో కొత్తగా ఆ పర్టికులర్ నోడ్ని మీరు విజిటింగ్ నోడ్ కింద తీసుకోండి. ఫస్ట్ యూ స్టార్టెడ్ హియర్. విజిట్ దిస్. Whenever you visit this, you take this A and then move the towards left. Just if you are walking like this, what is the left? You always keep left. Identify the left. Identify the node. While moving the left, if you have any node, just you take that B and then you move D. From here you left. You keep left. So this is already over. A, B, D and this is already over. Come to left. This is a new node. You take it. A, B, D and then E. And whenever you visited here, this is already visited, this is already visited, you keep left. So this is a new node, you take this C, E, after E, that is C, and then keep left. This is F, and then keep left, already visited. This is new node Z, and keep left, you take this Z and keep left, and you visited A, that is the end of the process. This is the pre-order traversal. Now this is about the pre-order. Simple technique is traverse the entire tree starting from a root, keeping yourself left, you always left. And in-order traversal, this one is you traverse the left subtree, you traverse the left subtree. Once the left subtree is over, and then visit the root, come back and visit the root, and then traverse the right subtree. Traverse the left subtree means implement the in-order of the left subtree. Traverse the right subtree means implement the in-order for right subtree. So the simple formula is left, move left, and then right, root, and then right. Move left, visit root, and then right. Now for this in-order, what is the in-order for this tree? Simply move left. For this in-order, move left, move left, move left, there is no, and then visit. Whenever you come, we visited A, whenever you see V, A, verify whether the left subtree is there. If left subtree is there, now implement this in-order for the left subtree. Again left subtree is there, that means you always move left. Once you left and identify, is there any left subtree? There is no left subtree for the D. And then visit D. Now you visit D. That is the D. Once you visit D, and then you go for right subtree. There is no right subtree. Once you move, keep left, leftmost, and then root, and then root. Root means for this subtree, root, right, root, and then right. That means left, D, data, and right. So right is over. Once for this, the left is over, you visit this B. After D, B, and then right. So come to here, and is there any left? There is no left, and visit E. After B, visit E. And after V, after E, is there any right? There is no right. And come to here. So here, for A, left subtree is over, then only you visit A. Left subtree is over, then only you visit A. So the order is D, B, E, and then A. D, B, A, E, and then A. Once the visited, then you move to the right. So implement the in-order for this. What is the implementation of in-order? You keep left. Left subtree, left. So here the left. Once you move to the left, so is there any left subtree? There is no left subtree. Then visit F. After A, you visited F. After A, you visited F. So there is no right subtree. Once this is over, and then you visit C. Once the left subtree is over, then only you visit the particular root of that subtree. Right? C. You visited C. After F, the C. And then once C is over, then come to the right. And right for the implement the in-order for this. There is no left subtree. Then visit G. Once G is visited, there is no right subtree. And for A, where left is over, right is over, and A is over. This is the in-order. So again, the simple technique to traverse the in-order is keep a plane mirror horizontally. This is we already discussed this in binary search tree. For binary search tree, if you consider the in-order for binary search tree, that always in ascending order, increasing order. So you keep a plane mirror horizontally. This is the one mirror. Ikkada oka addam place cheyandi. One mirror addam, right? One mirror horizontally. Horizontally you keep you place one mirror here horizontally at bottom of the tree. For this bottom of the tree, you place one mirror here, and take the projection of all the nodes. This projection is here. This projection is here. This projection is here. This projection is here. This is. Now you consider visit the nodes D, B, E, A, F, C, G. This is the order, in order. See this? This is a simple technique, right? And third one is post order. Post order is traverse the left subtree, implement the post order for the left subtree, and then traverse the right subtree. right subtree means implement the post order for right subtree, and then only you visit the root. Root is always at the last. You visited last. Root is visited last, right? Whereas in order the root is middle, right? And in pre-order, root is always first. Root node is always first. Root node of a tree is always first. This is in middle. For this is A is the root node. This is the left subtree. This is the right subtree for in order. Whereas post order, root is always at the end. Root is always at the end. This is the post order. That's why traverse the left subtree, and then once the left subtree is over, then you traverse the right subtree. Once the left subtree and right subtree is over, then only you visited the root. So in order to identify the post order for the entire tree, so you traverse the left. Once the left is over, then move to the right. Once the right is over, then only you visited A, right? So this is the left, right and root. Left, right and root. First you left, keep left. Once the keep left, and once you left is over, right is over, then visit D. For this B, D is already over, left is over, and once the D come to here and left is over, in order to visit the B, once the left and right over, then only you visit B. Here up to now only D is visited, and then you visited E. Once D and E is visited, then only you visited B. After that B. So in order to visit A, once the left is over, you move to the right, right? If the right is also over, then only you visited A, right? Move to the right. So in order to this one, you move this. After E, you visited F. After E, B, after that F. After that F. Once the F is over, then for C, the left is over, then right, G. After that G, F, G. Left is over, right is over, then only you visit C. And then for A, left is over, right is over, then visit A. So that is over. This is the post order. Now a simple technique is pluck all the leftmost leaf nodes one by one. Just you cut the flowers. Pluck all the leftmost. Just you cut this one, and then left, this is the left one, left subtrees. So all the childs for this. First this is the left subtree, for this one is the left subtree. In order to this one, you clear this left subtree. Cut this one, D, and then E, you cut this one, and you visit this, you cut this, entire this one. First you cut this and cut this. Once these two leaves are cut, then you cut the root, right? So in order to cut the root, only left is you pluck the left, there still the right is there. So that's why you cut this one, then only you cut A, right? So in order to, once the left is over, that means B, E, D, E, B, D, E, B, and then cut this one, and then cut this. Whenever you cut these two, then only you cut this. F, G, C. F, G, C. Once you cut left and right subtrees, then you cut A. This is the first order. Breadth first search. Breadth first, this is the level order traversal. This is the breadth. Breadth first means traverse, print all the nodes of a tree level by level. This is level 0, level 1, level 2. Traverse like level 0, A, and then level 1, B, C, and then level 2, D, E, F, G. This is the A, B, C, D, E, F, G. From left to right. Left order level order traversal used to print the data in the same order as sorted in the array representation. Array representation, complete binary. Now the next one is problems infix, prefix and postfix. This is the infix notation. How this is infix. Now fully parenthesized. This is the fully parenthesized. Otherwise I will give the one more video for this problems on infix, prefix and postfix. Thank you one and all.